Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over silver. Today we are down 4 basis points and we have about 4 hours left in trading on the 1 hour chart. We are approaching positive MACD on the 1 hour chart, and as we find support on the 50 moving average right here on the 4 hour chart, we do see we almost touched oversold territory on the RSI, but we see a possible convergence on the 4 hour MACD. And on the daily chart, we do find support on the 18-day moving average right here, the purple line. And as long as we remain close above the 18-day moving average and find support for, I would say, 2 or 3 more days, this uptrend is still intact. And another concern for the bulls is we have a divergence in the daily MACD. So that is something to watch, but at the moment I don't see us heading straight back to where we were back in September 4th. We may see sideways price action between the 18-day moving average and the 9-day moving average. So at the moment I see the 9-day moving average as possible resistance up until we have the Fed meeting next, I believe, next week. And as for support, I see possible support if we do head down lower. I would say this price concentration right here at $17, and that also coincides with the 50-day moving average as we progress day by day. So if we were to move on higher, that price movement is roughly around, I would say, 2.4%. However, if we do move down lower, that price movement is around 5.9%. So let's head to the forecast model. On here, I'll go day by day, where silver will head to the next coming days. So we have 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So which one of these forecast models we should focus on? Ideally, the model that is the best match to the current trend. We have the current trend right here, and the trend below it is the best match, and this dates back to December 21st, 2016 to March 3rd, 2017. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend, we started off in the middle Bollinger Band right here, and then we proceeded to move on hard to touch the upper Bollinger Band right here. And let's just mark all the upper Bollinger Bands. So we have one right there, next, and then finally we have the last third one, and let's mark where it touched the middle Bollinger Band. So we have one in between where we hit 2 upper Bollinger Bands and right towards the end right there. So we have those points. So let's move down to the trend in question. So we have the trend right here. We start off in the middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded to move on higher. So let's just mark off the middle Bollinger Bands first, and we have one towards the end right there. So next, let's mark the upper Bollinger Bands where the candlesticks touch the upper Bollinger Band. If you're not familiar with Bollinger Bands, it's a tool used to measure price level and volatility. So we have one last Bollinger Band right towards the end. So we have these instances. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecast should be fairly the same. And again, the trend that we just examined was December 21st, 2016 to March 3rd, 2017. And it looks like silver dropped further around 4% in next coming days. So we may see silver head sideways or head down lower. So that is all. If you want this program, you can sign up in the link below and get it when it releases. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.